This time we're doing the same motor oil test. We have the Cascade deep freezer at -40 for 24 hours. We have AMSOIL, Mobil 1, Castrol Edge, and Rotella synthetic oil, and also a Walmart synthetic oil. My assistant Boris here is getting it all ready. We're going to do a redo of this. They're all in the same style bottles, so there's no difference in any of the bottle necks or size of the bottles. So, whenever you're ready, Boris, if you need a hand, let me know.
Yeah.
You got the, yeah, it's in the correct order.
Alright,
Alright,
let's go.
go for it. Alright, so the Walmart synthetic is pouring. The Castrol synthetic is not. The Rotella is. The Mobil 1 is. And the AMSOIL is. We had to adjust our rig here, so they're not exactly. Yeah. Got it. Alright, so our Walmart. Well, Mobil 1's cruising right along again. Rotella. The Castrol synthetic is actually doing worse than the Walmart synthetic at the moment. Mobil 1's going to be done first. I don't know the time difference. We'll have to look on the time difference between the
videos or stopwatch.
Yeah, you just have to use the time period of the video. The Rotella is taking its sweet time. Bottles are starting to get empty. That's pretty much it for the Mobil 1. AMSOIL's working on it. Rotella is working on it. The Walmart was moving along, and then it... These other two are going to take forever, it seems like. The AMSOIL's still working on it. Walmart's actually not doing that bad compared to the Rotella synthetic and the Castrol synthetic. The Walmart's actually not doing that bad. This one we can pretty much pull out of there. It's done and it's just leaking. I would call that done for the AMSOIL too. Does that say negative? I don't know, -7. Yeah, it's still cruising its way down there, floated near the top. I don't understand why it always insists on like not sitting straight up in there. It's working its way down. Well, Walmart's getting very close to being done here. So the Walmart synthetic did... Oh shit.
Where did it fall in?
Yep, it fell in. I'm an idiot. Well, we might not have a temperature probe on this one. That's great.
Well, it's still working.
I don't think it is. It's going up. Yeah, I think it's busted. Alright, our temperature probe's dead, but these were sitting in the Cascade machine for... I think we might almost finish it up when the, well, this one you can feel how thick it is. The Rotella is almost done. Damn it, I just knocked it over. That's pretty much it for the Walmart. Now, I'm gonna grab those first. They're starting to fall over now that there's nothing in there. That's it for the Walmart.
That's pretty surprising.
Yeah, I think it's screwed up. So as soon as I pulled it out of there, it started climbing. So
No, it's going again.
okay. Let's see if we can get our temp
I
probe.
cleaned it off, and it went back up to 70.
Okay. Let's see if our temp probe's working here again. That Castrol synthetic is just it's 530. I'll show you the bottle here in a second, but it is taking its time. The Rotella is really dark compared to the other ones. My hands are covered in oil. Is that probably going to be the best we're going to do? Showing -20 right now. These may have warmed up a little bit since we've started this test. You want to temp probe another one just to make sure they're all at the same temperature. They sat at -40 all night long, so. You can take that Rotella, it's pretty much end on stuff. Yeah. Nope. We just did it real quick. So it's showing about -20. So they're all floating around -20, it looks like. So this is done a little bit warmer than the other test. It's much warmer now because we're well into spring, so they're going to warm up a lot faster. But the Castrol synthetic is still going. And that is Castrol Edge 530 with titanium technology. Well, that's where we're going to end it because it looks like it's going to take too long for the Castrol to probably finish up, but it went, about to double check the timestamps, but it looks like it went Mobil, AMSOIL, Walmart, Rotella, and then Castrol still working on it. Alright, thanks. Bye.